With love comes loss, son. It's part of the deal. Sometimes it hurts, but in the end, it's all worth it. There's no greater gift than love.
Hold on, I still want you. Come back, I still need you.
So what do you say? Just keep going?
Let me take your hand, I'll make you right.
This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty.
Hold on, I still want you.
You are my best friend, bud.
Come back, I still need you.
My best friend.